So we're going to start off in mountain pose by bringing the feet together, connect together the big toes, and you want about an inch or so between the heels. So the outer edges of the feet are flush with the outer edges of the mat. And in this mountain pose series, this comes from the Krishnamacharya lineage. We're going to do each movement 3 times. And it's almost like a yoga version of Tai Chi. So it's slow, it's thorough, it's very meditative, and it's repetitive. But the brilliance of this sequence is how it gets into every major muscle group in the body. And it's also said to align the 7 chakras. So we'll start off by bringing the hands to prayer, backs of the thumbs, middle of the chest, standing in strength, standing in stability.